In this video, I'll show you how to use funnels to sell coaching in GoHighLevel. Step 1. Create your funnel. Inside GoHighLevel, head to the funnel section and build a simple 3-step funnel, a landing page, a booking page, and a thank you page. Step 2. Design your landing page. This is where potential clients learn about your coaching offer. Keep it clear, highlight your expertise, list the benefits, and include testimonials for credibility. Step 3. Add a booking system. Use GoHighLevel's built-in calendar integration so prospects can schedule a discovery call directly after reading about your coaching. Step 4. Set up payments. If you charge upfront, connect Stripe or PayPal so clients can pay right through your funnel. For high-ticket coaching, focus on booking calls first, then close during the meeting. Step 5. Automate follow-ups. Build a workflow that sends confirmation emails, SMS reminders, and even nurture sequences. Step 6. Track and optimize. Use GoHighLevel's analytics to monitor bookings, conversions, and sales. Adjust your copy, headlines, and call to action to increase results. And that's it. By combining funnels, automation, and follow-ups in GoHighLevel, you can create a system that consistently sells your coaching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.